we're at the car show with the Ferrari. Oh, and we're gonna do the name reveal of the mysterious cameraman. This is the mysterious cameraman.
And my name's the mysterious cameraman.
His name's Zach. Okay, and this is the beautiful McLaren. That's the 4GT.
4GT.
Let's go over there. Boom. We're gonna
Boom,
go.
bop, boom.
This is basically where we're supposed to go. Rest in peace, X. In the arms of the angel. Let's get the. This is X's car. It's about, I don't think it was. Maybe, I think so. I just know it wasn't a. I don't know. I always wondered where the exhaust was.
The what was?
Exhaust. There is no exhaust. There is no exhaust.
Illuminati confirmed. Illuminati.
Where is the exhaust? I should have known where the exhaust is. Unless there is no exhaust.
Or does this car just give out clean?
Look at this Jaguar. It looks a lot like a Ferrari.
Yeah, that's what it is. Competitive to
Jaguar. Make sure don't get anyone's phone.
LC 300. Oh, LC 100. I think. I don't know. Very, 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 very. Very, 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 very nice car.
Very, very, very.
Nice cars.
For sure.
Look, you passed.
What? I very, very, very,
Very, very, very.
What the? Oh no!
It's an LC 500,
Illuminati confirmed.
but it's a 300.
500 actually. 500.
500. Explain America.
It's been in America.
No, it's not locked. We're sitting in a Mercedes right now.
Oh my gosh. Oh. I shut it.
You shut the door. You can get out. That's a small car.
Oh, dude, let's go.
Let's go. We are back JDM Drifters, and we're sitting in a Lexus and a Jaguar. This kid,
It's
Mr.
so small.
Yeah.